Balik a bit. No, no, no. This is the one that goes down. Okay. Up. Move a little bit. Do it. Let's move a little bit here. Okay, let's do it again. Sorry. So, let's move this one. Okay. Just take it. There you go.
There you go.
You wanna move this?
Yeah, out there. After we go.
Okay.
But we have the space. So in the bottom, you need to install these screws for the stand and the printer to go together.
Okay.
So that when you try to move it, they're together.
Okay.
Okay. Another one. Okay. There we go. Oops. Once you find the center, screw it. You just tighten it by hand. All right.